Hi, gracious people. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Grace. I'm a lifestyle content creator. Okay, on today's episode, I want to show you guys little touches you need for your everyday lifestyle. So this year, we are going to be that girl. Yeah, that's soft girl, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So before we go on, kindly like and hit the subscribe button on this video, and let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to moisturize your face. So I'm going in with my moisturized gel.
Even if you have oily skin, don't skip this. Hydrated skin makes everything blend softly. Now I'm going to be applying my primer. This helps your makeup last longer and keep everything in place. Think of it as a foundation before foundation.
And send me in the right direction.
I'll be using my gel to lay my brows.
I'm not afraid. When you walk at my side, your trusted shepherd's crook makes me feel so.
Use the gel to pull out your brows, then line it. I'm going in with my foundation named Dream Skin with the shade 40 Coconut. For beginners, don't apply too much foundation. Start small. You can always add more. I'm using my beauty blender from Carissa Beauty, Perfect Soft Blender, to blend it into my skin. The key is to blend down to your neck so everything looks seamless. We are not trying to look lighter or darker, just even. Now I'm applying my concealer under my eyes, a little on my forehead and my chin. This brightens the face and gives that soft lifted look. If you are a beginner, don't go too many shades lighter. 1 or 2 shades lighter is perfect. Then blend it in softly, gently. Don't drag it, just tap it on your face.
Of my enemies, you comfort me. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want, no, I shall not.
Next, I'll be going in with my blush. Blush is what makes you look alive. Don't skip blush. Smile slightly and apply it to the apples of your cheek. It gives that soft feminine glow. Next, I'm going in with my Zickel powder palette with the shade Natural to set up my face a bit.
All the days of my life.
Now I'm going in with my Sasha settings powder. I'm settling everything with powder and a little setting spray so it lasts all day.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me.
For brows, I'm going in with my MAC eye pencil. Feel your natural shape. Don't overdraw. Light stroke, fill in spare areas. Then brush it out so it looks soft. I'm going to be concealing under the brows. I'm going in with the concealer I used earlier.
I shall not want. I shall not want.
For beginners, you don't need heavy eyeshadow. I'm just using a natural brown shade. I'm blending it softly into my crease. Next, I'm using this eyeliner to line my eyes.
I shall not want.
Next, I'm dusting off the setting powder. I'm using this eye pencil to line the under of my eyes. Remember I said you don't need to break your bank to look good, right? So use whatever you have. I'm going in with mascara. Since we are not using lashes for these looks, I'm using this to brush out my eyelashes to give it a straight looks. I'm going in with my MAC eye pencil. I'm lining my lips slightly and going in with a nude gloss. This keeps the looks soft and everyday appropriate. Last on the list is our spray, our makeup fix spray. After all said and done, you have to spray your face to make your makeup last long and stay fresh all day. And that's the final look. If you are a beginner, I want you to know something. Confidence does not come from makeup. Makeup just enhances what's already there. You're already beautiful. This is just extra glow. If this helped you, comment beginner babe so I know my girls are watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join the family. We are growing, glowing and becoming that girl inside and out. See you guys on my next video. Bye.